How to make iced coffee. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients and tools. Step 2. Put coffee and hot water into the glass and then stir until smooth. Step 3. Put sugar to taste and mix well. Step 4. Prepare a glass and add enough ice cubes. Step 5. Pour milk into the glass and add the coffee we made earlier. And the iced coffee is ready to drink. You know what, guys? This is so delicious.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.